Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Padma Neela, and today's video is about how you can claim your free trials in Ayushmart. So I'm going to share that. First you need to get on to the website ayushmart.co and then click on your user ID. Click your login details, your distributor login details, and then go ahead and enter the password. Once you do this, you will see that there are trial points here, right? So if this has not been activated, you will actually see claim your free trials. Click on that and automatically this trial points will be added. Once you see this 20 points, go to my orders and click on free trial order. So you see that there are 20 available trial points. Click on order now and select the billing address. Now you will see that every product has certain points. So we can select up to 20 points. So I'm going to select that. Let's say I select 2 of Ayu Kavach. So it will say product added successfully. So you come to the bottom of the screen and you will see the product details have been added. And now all you have to pay is only the shipping charges. So for this transaction, the shipping has been calculated as 299 rupees, right? So now you can just say, select the mode of payment. You can pay by online. Click on confirm order. And you select any mode of transaction. So I'm going to select payment through my bank, through my net banking. Okay. So it's as simple as that, friends. All of the distributors can go and claim their free trial points and encourage your team also to do that. It's very simple. All you have to do is log in, click on free, claim your free trials, and then go to the order from free trials, and then go ahead and book as I showed you. So once you do that, the products will automatically be delivered to your place. Based on your PIN code, the shipping charges will be calculated. And so all you have to do is just pay the shipping charges. So the transaction is almost done. Okay, and then your order will be generated like this. So it says that it has been approved. So if I click on the invoice and see, it will say that I have 2 products of Ayu Kavach, right? So it's a very simple process. I hope this video has helped you and you will go ahead and claim your free trials. All the best and all the best for a great business. Thank you once again for joining my YouTube channel. Have a great day.